Hello, and welcome to another edition of Dance in Motion. In this edition, what we're going to do is some ballet basics. Let's start with our positions. This will be considered parallel first. This will be considered turnout first. Let's go to turnout second, turnout third, turnout fourth, and turnout fifth, and finish. You will do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, in order to continue to build balance and to move with strength and agility, let's go over some basic ballet warm-up moves. I like to begin with a plie. Plie is a simple bending of the knees. Now, those toes, when you plie, they should be in alignment. Those knees, when you plie, should be in alignment right over your toes. So, there are two types of plies. We have the first type of plie being called a Demi Plie, which is you go halfway down. And the second type of plie is called a grand plie, and you will go all the way down. Make sure that your heels lift up so that you do not hurt yourself as you're plieing. So, let's begin with a simple plie exercise. Plie and open, plie and open, and grand plie and up. Again, plie and up, and plie and up, and plie and up, and grand plie and finish. Now, let's do some tendus. Tendu, you would really stretch that tendon in that ankle. That's going to strengthen your feet. When you tendu, you want to make sure that your foot stays on the floor and it glides out, glides until it can no longer stay on the floor and it is a true stretch. You want to do the same thing on the side. Glide until that foot stretches all the way out. And the same on the back. Glide until that foot stretches out. Oftentimes I'll see people do this. That is the incorrect way to do a tendu. The tendu, you should be sliding and actually leading with your heel when you're in turnout. So you're leading with that heel and you're going to remain in turnout and you're going to bring it back. Same thing, lead with that heel, you're in turnout, bring it back, lead with that heel, you're in turnout, and you're going to bring it back. So, actually for the tendus, I'm going to turn to the side. But before I do, I'm going to show you, it's a pointing of the foot, but as you can see, it's dealing with your tendon. It's like a stretch and an elongating of the tendon. So for this, we can keep our hands right in second position, and we're going to tendu to the front and close, tendu to the side and close, tendu to the back and close. And always finish tendu to the side. Now let's move our hands. When we go to the front, tendu to the front and close, tendu to the side and close, and tendu to the back and close, tendu to the side and close. And you're going to end up with your hand on the same side. Let's do that again. And tendu to the front and close, tendu to the side and close, tendu to the back and close, tendu to the side and close. Again, tendu to the front and close, tendu to the side and close, tendu to the back and close, and tendu to the side and close. And you will repeat the same thing on this side. Let's move on. Another exercise that I like to do that helps to strengthen your balance is called a degage. Let's do a degage. It's almost like a tendu, but in the word degage, it means to disengage. So you're disengaging your foot off of the floor. Your foot will no longer be engaged on the floor. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to move my hands out of the way so that you can see. Degage. 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 Good. Degage. 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 So all of that weight is on that standing leg. Your hand should be resting on the bar. Try to balance within your core, holding those muscles together. Let's do that again. And degage, 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 and degage. Now, let's do that as a combination. We're going to start with tendus, move to a degage, and here we go. And finish. Very good. You can repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm going to teach you one more technique in ballet that can be used to help you in turns and also help you in transitioning moves. And this is called a rond de jambe. You hear the word rond, it's like a round movement. So you're going to go around, 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 bring it back and close. That's called a rond de jambe. So let's do that again. Around, 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 and back and close. What would a rond de jambe in degage look like? Around, 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 and back and close. Now, let's put that all together. I'm going to keep my hands here for now because I've added so many, and this way you don't have to worry about what your hands are doing. You can keep them here, or actually you can keep them here in a low first position. So, let's begin. I'm doing 2 of each thing. And let's bring our hands here. Demi Plie and up and demi plie and up and grand plie